So there are actually 4 things that you must know in regards to visibility and cloud clearance. This is going to be a very short video, so let's go right to the slides. Here are the 4 things. Number 1, station visibility should be no less than 3 statute miles. It's pretty straightforward. You must always maintain visual line of sight with your small UAS, right? So number 2, you must be flying 500 feet below the cloud and 200 feet horizontally from the cloud. Okay, so you can't fly 1,000 feet horizontally away from the cloud. It must be at least 2,000 feet. Okay, pretty straightforward. Moving on to number 3, visual line of sight. Any flight crew member is capable of seeing the aircraft with vision unaided by any device other than corrective lenses. Okay, so you must again keep a visual line of sight to the sUAS without things like binoculars or other aiding devices, visual aiding devices, except for if you wear glasses or contact lenses. Okay, so the last thing, again, visual aids such as binoculars may be used only momentarily to enhance situational awareness. Okay, so for example, a crew member may use a vision aid briefly to avoid flying over people or avoid conflicting with other aircraft. Okay, you can only use it situationally. Okay, you can't use it the entire flight. Your binoculars, that is. Okay, so pretty straightforward. 2 things you must know. Okay, 3 statute miles, 500 feet below the cloud, 2,000 feet away, horizontally away from the cloud. Okay, guarantee to be on your knowledge test. I'll see you guys in the next video.